Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. That being said, let's jump into the video and the title. So this will be December's Boxyluxe unboxing. Also some giveaway details that me and Lifestyle and Beauty by Essie are doing together. We have started a podcast. We've only done one episode and it's more me rambling, not staying on topic and whatnot, just kind of hammering out the kinks. But we will be giving away 2 Ulta gift cards for $25 and the Fenty Skin gift set. So definitely check out her channel, which will be linked down below for the details that are on the first podcast. It's pretty basic. Subscribe to both of us, yada, yada, yada. You'll see there. So please definitely check that out. Let's jump into the video, the meat and potatoes. Why do I always say that? That's so silly. Where's my card? Sorry. Let's get on track. So this is box number, oh, is that the box number? Normally it's like just a number, C2012407LX. This month's theme is bubbles and glitz. Super cute. I'm glad that they've been consistent with giving me a card. For a while, they weren't. So the first product, I like to just go in order of what's on the card. It just makes it easier. The first product we have is the iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. And here is the packaging. So cute. I love the little lights. It just reminds me of like summer. I was watching Manny's video and he was like, girl, bye about the packaging. I know, Manny, you got your extreme packaging, but I think this is fucking cute. And I love getting face palettes. I mean, I haven't had to buy a face palette in I don't know how long. So super, super cute. You have some highlight shades, a bronzer, a blush. I will say that this would only maybe work for like medium to tan skin. So that's kind of a bummer. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of a bummer. And this retails for $55. $55? I mean, I guess it's a face palette, but $55, girl? I don't know. Whatever. So that came in the box. So next up we have Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. This retails for $85. Here's the packaging here. It didn't come with a box, which I found kind of weird being $85. Not that you need to save the box. I just thought it was interesting. This is a multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment. Rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. So I'm pretty excited for this because, you know, as your girl ages, I've heard really good things about Sunday Riley also. So I'm super excited to get this in my Boxyluxe, which this is a $50 box. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products for $50, which I think is pretty badass. So next we have Hipdot. We've been seeing Hipdot in the boxes lately. I don't know. I never heard of them prior. And I didn't mind my last palette by them. So this is Hipdot C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. And this retails for $30. So here's the unicarton here. It's animal test free and vegan. That's kind of cool. I kind of like this like green and blue marbled look. And this is the palette right here. So I really am looking forward to this palette, to be honest. I don't really have a palette like this in my arsenal. This color right here, so basic, right? This color right here, Bedrock, is so pretty to me. And then my, I don't know, I just really, really like it. Escape, look at that. That's so, so pretty. Here's Maya, and then let's do Tulum. So those are some of the colors there. So, so pretty. As you can see, I have a color kind of like Maya on my eyes. This is from the Petty Page Dramatic Boutique palette that I purchased. That video will be up after this video. So super excited to play around with that palette, to be honest. So next thing that I got was the Luxie glitter and gold brush set. This retails for $85. So here's the little case that it comes with. Cute little moment. I like Luxie brushes. And here are the brushes. So I'm super excited to get this because I do like Luxie brushes a lot. So that's in this month's box for anybody who gives a shit. Oh, I think, did I pick this one? I can't remember what I picked. So this is the Beauty Co, the original Glam Smile Kit. So this is a teeth whitening kit. It says OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. So that's pretty cool. Obviously I haven't tried it yet. This is $89. So here's the kit here. I don't know. I wonder how many sessions do you get out of this? Like, it only has one syringe. So I got another skincare item, which I'm always excited to get skincare just because skincare can be expensive and I like trying new products. So I got the Avant Skincare Intensive Redensifying Glycolic and Acid Day Moisturizer. This is the ideal remedy against time. This day moisturizer aims to offer complete response to signs of skin slacking, a revolutionary formula which with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improves skin density, luminosity, and volume. Why was that? That was a tongue twister for me and it really shouldn't have been. So the epidermal layer of the skin is where it's saying that it targets. So this retails for $123. I'll be damn. $123. So I'll be excited to try this out, see if it really works. So the next thing I got was the Rockin Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Pens. These glitter gel pens, these retail for $40. Here's the unicarton here. There are 3 colors. You got a green, a black, and a blue. These are pretty cute. I'm probably gonna just put these away for like a future giveaway on Essie and I's channel, just because I know that I won't use them a whole lot. I might use them once, so maybe somebody else who would like these more can get better use out of them than me just wasting them. I'm starting to feel a little guilty over like wasted products. So last but not least, I got the Lava Lashes Charm Faux Mink Lashes. These are lightweight and fluffy, handcrafted luxury lashes. Our charm style blends seamlessly with your natural lashes and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. These retail for $19.99. Can you see them? Let me take them out of this shiny situation here. They're pretty. I like the packaging, but I think I'll probably save this. Oh, it looks like, oh no, that's not lash glue. I'll probably save this for a giveaway as well. I'm just gonna start like a basket of stuff to give away for y'all. That is everything. So the total of this month's box is $526.99. Like, I can't believe it, for $50. I mean, and I'm really excited for a lot of this stuff, like the face palette, the brush set, skincare. Totally worth the money. In my opinion, $50 is a lot of money, but it's not every month. I think it's every 3rd month. So, you know, whatever. I'm excited to get it, definitely. If you guys would like more of a try on as well, leave that in the comments. I can definitely do it, but I just think it's kind of fun to kind of go over the products and banter every once in a while. Not always just be applying makeup. I don't know. Up to you guys. Let me know. So that is everything in this month's box. I'm really excited to try some of the products. I'm excited to start like a giveaway pile. Definitely going to try to do more giveaways for you guys, and it won't always be stuff that I hand select, but I'll definitely do more like gift cards and things like that. Thank you so much for being here. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out Beauty and Lifestyle by Essie and the giveaway details over on her channel, and then we'll have another podcast this Sunday on my channel. I'd love for you guys to be there. or be square. I don't know, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.